On this episode of AC Designs Garage, we're going to see if WD-40 really does restore dingy headlights. Coming up. Alright guys, here's the headlights on my 2004 Chevrolet pick-em-up truck. They've already getting the haze along the top like most of them do where the sun beats down on it. I think what it does, it just breaks this polycarbonate down and turns it into like an old dry, crusty layer of plastic. Even my lowers here have just a nasty, you can hear it, it's just a real rough texture to it, and the other side's the same way. So I want to do this experiment with this WD-40 just to see if it'd be a quick fix for a lot of homeowners and stuff. There's a permanent way to really fix these, and I've done a lot of them. It's where you wet sand them and you use automotive clear on them, then you can sand and buff them and they look brand new. But it's pretty expensive for the materials, but I may do a video on it if you guys would like to see it. Alright guys, pretty cheap on the tool side. I don't think you need some kitchen paper towels or some of these Scotch shop rags. I like them pretty good, and some WD-40. Let's see how it goes. Alright, I'm just going to throw us a little piece of tape divider on here so you can see the difference a little better. See a little before and after action on here. So we're going to do this side with the WD-40 first. We'll peel it off so we can see the major difference. Then I'll go over the whole thing and try to buff it off and see what she'd be looking like. As for applying this, I don't suggest spraying all over, gets all over your paint and stuff. I would just spray it on the rag just a little bit. It's probably not going to take a whole lot. Check that out. That's actually a good bit better. And we'll just rub it in. You can see the little dingy coming off of it. These are in pretty bad shape, but we'll see how this works. Alright, let's see what kind of difference we got right here. Now you can definitely see a line right here. I think it done pretty good. I mean, it's not fully restored to brand new, but I think it'll help you get by. If you're like me and you like to put stuff off all the time. And let's go ahead and do the rest of it. Tell you what guys, I'm pretty impressed with this. I mean, for no more time than it takes to do this, I'm sure it'll probably last a week or two. You may have to reapplicate it, but that don't look too bad. Alright guys, there's the after with a good old coat of WD and rub just a few seconds. We didn't spend a lot of time on it. Let's go over here to the other side I hadn't done yet. I tell you, there's a noticeable difference. I would suggest trying this, I mean, just for a quick fix. Let's go ahead and get this one done so the truck don't look goofy going down the road with two shiny lights and two dull ones. I can't get over how much that helped. That's pretty cool. And cheap. All right, there we go, guys. I'm pretty shocked on how good this actually done. I saw videos of guys doing it. I didn't know if they was doing some hocus pocus stuff or not, but it seems to work pretty good. Give it a shot. Like I said, some WD-40 and some paper towels and wipe it on. Like I said, you'll probably have to reapply every 2 weeks or so because this WD-40 will wash off. But hey, for a quick fix, don't cost a lot of money. Anybody can do it at home. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed this little mad scientist scientific experiment with the WD-40. Go grab you can, get out there and try it if you got the dingy headlights. I mean, like I said, what you got to lose is a few bucks on a can of some paper towels. So, hope y'all enjoyed this. God bless. We gone.